Hello dear friends, today we are going to solve numericals based on E naught cell and Nernst equation. So observe this video very carefully and like it, subscribe it and share it. So here we begin with the question of the day. The following redox reaction occurs in a galvanic cell. Yes. So where is that reaction? Here is that reaction. Redox reaction. So this is the reaction in which one of the element is undergoing oxidation and the another is undergoing reduction. Okay. Now where is the question? Here we have question with us. A. Write the cell notation. Now we are going to solve this aspect first. Okay, cell notation means we have to write reaction at anode, reaction at cathode. We have to represent left hand side and right hand side. If you remember, we have studied this lone and we have also studied recap. Okay, so left hand side electrode oxidation takes place and it is anode. Now how to find out that where the oxidation is taking place? When there is increase in oxidation number. Okay, now in this reaction, let us concentrate on this reaction. In this reaction, if you focus on aluminium from Al0 oxidation state, it is becoming Al plus 3. It means for aluminium it is oxidation, hence aluminium is acting as anode. So on the left hand side, our negative electrode for this particular question is going to be aluminium. Okay, so I write here towards the extreme left hand side, aluminium solid is in contact with its own ions. Okay, so let us move towards now right side. It is right hand side and reduction is happening, cathode is present and the sign would be positive. Now reduction is also defined as decrease in oxidation number. So if we focus over here, Fe plus 2 is becoming Fe0. So it means Fe is undergoing reduction. So I write here Fe solid in contact with Fe plus 2 ions and it is aqueous. And yes, here we are having our salt bridge. Okay, so friends and students, we are done with the A part of the question, that is cell notation. Okay, now let us look at the B part. Here I put tick mark in front of B part. Identify cathode and anode. I think we have already done this. B. What is cathode over here? Cathode is over here. Cathode is iron. Okay, iron rod you can write. Then what is acting as anode over here? Anode is aluminium. Yes, it is aluminium rod or aluminium element and all, we can write like that. So we are done with the B part also. We move on to the C part now, and the C part is calculate E naught cell. So friends, we'll go step by step. Okay, calculate E naught cell. So I write here E naught cell is equal to E naught RHE minus E naught LHE. So I write here RHE is right hand side electrode. It means cathode and it is anode. So cathode over here is our iron rod. Wherever I am pointing out, please have a look over there. Cathode is iron rod. So cathode is given here and its potential is given minus 0.44 minus, and now I write the reduction potential at anode. Where is anode, students? Yes, over here we have anode and the value I am going to copy minus 1.66 volt. So we'll be getting answer as 0.44 plus 1.66. So when you solve this, you will be getting answer as Yes, you will be getting answer as plus 1.22 volt. Now we go to the next part of the question. Okay, and the next part of the question is this. Calculate delta G naught. Yes, the question is calculate delta G naught. Now, the formula for delta G naught is, we'll have to remember this, it is delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Okay. Now, what is this F? F value we know 96500 Coulomb. Okay. And what is E naught cell? 1.22. What is N over here? N is the number of electrons consumed. Number of electron consumed in the reaction. Now, we know that in this reaction, what is happening? Aluminium, there is 3 rise. Okay, there is rise of 3 units. And Fe, there is a decrease in 2 units. So, when you multiply, you will be getting 6 as the number of electrons. I am going to explain this also, how you are getting 6. Okay. So, let us concentrate why I wrote 6 over here. Okay, students. Now, we have aluminium solid, which is becoming aluminium ion, loss of 3 electrons. Okay. And we have Fe plus 2 aqueous, which is gaining 2 electrons, and then it is becoming Fe solid. Okay. Now, when we write the net cell reaction, we have to see to it that number of electrons should be same. So, we multiply this by 2 and we multiply this by 3, and what we get is, guess. Yes, we get this as the answer. Okay, so when you multiply, we get 6. Multiply, we get 6. Hence, I wrote 6. Now, when you are going to solve this, you will be getting answer as minus 706.4 kilojoules. So, I hope you have understood how to calculate G naught cell, how to calculate E naught cell, how to write the cell notation, how to identify cathode. Okay, I repeat, today we have studied, in this particular video, we have studied how to denote a cell, how to identify cathode anode, how to calculate E naught cell, and yes, how to solve the delta G naught numerical. Stay focused in your life. Stay safe, stay healthy.